Welcome again, viewers and subscribers. And if for the first time to the channel, to subscribe. Alright, now today, yes, we have some bad news. But a 15-year-old we get missing. I read it still, we couldn't hear what going. Marrisa Reid is at her wits' end over the disappearance of her 15-year-old daughter more than 2 weeks ago. The missing teen, Theresa Smith, of Harbour View address, was last seen March 23 in downtown Kingston. Theresa, who is a student of Donald Quarrie High School, has reportedly gone to the commercial district to buy groceries when she disappeared. Cops from the Harbour View Police Station are investigating, but according to Reid, have made no inroads into the case. Why may I tell the people, it's sad fear of one, but I have one video, so I'm going to play the video clip. I'm going to see it.
She did down kosher and she told me so she was going to buy a grocery. And I tell her, I said, she asked me, say, well, Mommy, where you going? I said, I have a look at work. So she said to me, say, you not ready yet? I said, I'm not ready yet. I have a beard, me and your brother, I go look at work. I'm why you follow me. Me want now, me now make you go on the road you want. Because I don't want no happen to you and go dry you or rape you. She said to me, say, she go buy groceries, she can't wait for me because I see it too long. So she said to me, sometimes she go to town, she go call me. So as she left, so I call her, me hear the phone ring, then at that time I hear the phone ring. I go down at town, and I don't see her, I go make a complaint 7:44. Go to the police them and tell them, the other day I go down there and tell me, say, them see her down a mall, loads of people. I go about a Spanish town, mobile them, say them track the phone, I go Portland, I just them sat them go send Spanish town. Them lock up 2 man that's them and she them carry them out them yard.
So you mentioned that a friend saw her downtown.
Yeah.
Stop me shoulder.
A girl see her downtown, must see 3 man have her in a car hold her mouth for and carry her. And them time when me and my sister walk now the children the girl tell me with the paper me and show her. So she see the white car but she never see the license plate. So she them brought the stop light, she couldn't see the license plate. So she checked the phone and she tell me say she dey a Mantle go be. So I go Mantle go be. I mean I see her hard about me and my sister and my son.
So how this make you feel knowing that you can't see her for so long?
I feel bad. I would like for them come with her. And take all the phone. No matter if they take the phone, just bring her back home. Please me, the amount she has 16 years old. 16. Yeah. 27 amount she has 16 years old. And I don't know where we are contact and where about anywhere. I call her phone, all the way I call her, we can't get her. If I kidnap her, kill her, or rape her. I always say she at town and I look her about and I can't find her. Yeah. Yes, sir.
I feel there.
You have high blood pressure, no?
Huh?
You have high blood pressure.
I see I have blood pressure. But I worry too much here.
I think that she had that true that she had pressing. She can't find her.
I ain't no, they're not take
Come one time.
You said it's your niece, right?
Yes.
Talk to me about it.
We don't see anybody reach out or try and help we in any way. Only thing the other day, some police come here and from that we don't hear anything else again and we don't see them visit we or no. We don't know we want to help us or look counseling or to get through this or nobody to talk to we or something.
So how this make you feel knowing that you don't see her for so long and you and her had a great relationship?
Me I hope she come and me the pressure run come call me and I say, Auntie, me there and me come on, me alright. No word, you know, you're from her. You can't see her or nothing. They're glad to see she come back in the yard and they here with me and she alright. No want nobody for out there hurt her or do nobody. And we can't see her or no, we don't know if she alright. You know say somebody alright, somebody there at town or something alright. You don't know if she alright. I wouldn't bring her and do with her. This day now, this morning, Monday morning like this, she go away 2 weeks now.
time missing.
And she no return all now.
No man didn't